This is the Lockpicking Newbie, and today is Stock Lock Sunday. And what a stock lock I have. Really excited about this. Ugh. This is over 2 pounds of steel. Let's see what we got here. It says so right in the box. A748. So here we go. I got this from Grainger, and it was on clearance. They had a heck of a clearance sale. The locks that they had on clearance mostly were discontinued by the manufacturer, mostly about 1/3 of the price that you could get them elsewhere. This one I got for about $23. American Series 748. That's the most expensive one I bought on the clearance. I bought 8. So this is a Beefy lock. Full disclosure, it never was sealed in anything. I will claim that this is a pick from package, but between you, my friends, and me, I have had it out of the package to make sure I had the proper tools prepared for gutting. But this is a beast of a lock. The key, let's see, I think there's a key code on it. Oh, well, I thought there was a key. Oh, there it is. 212552. It's a six pin key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks fairly friendly bitting except for that last pin in the back. Okay, I really hope you guys are going to be able to hear this. Ready? Oh, that thing sounds big. All right. So to prepare for this, I have been practice picking my similar architecture 6-pin locks, Mako and Pack Lock. Did mostly okay except for the last go around, in which I really had trouble getting the Pack Lock open, so I don't know. I was second guessing myself on, it's like 2.5 inches across this lock is, and over 2 pounds of shipping weight. So, okay. I can tell you right now, I'm not going to hold this up in the air. Let's see if I can. I think I need to have the tension pry bar backed out a little bit. And all right, so ready to pick. Here we go. All right, 1 is springy. I'm applying really light tension. 2 is springy. 3 is springy. 1 baby click on 4. That's all for now. 5 is firm. Baby click on him, felt like an overset, and I kind of released him. And then 6, it's kind of springy back there. Nah, nothing on 6. Let's come back to the beginning. 1 is springy, 2 is springy, 3 is springy. Take another click on 4. Nice little click. I'm going to leave 5 alone. Back to the beginning. 1 springy, 2. Okay, so 6 was still springy back there. Now, let's see. 1, 2, 3 are all still springy. 4 is still firm. Oh boy, I'm sorry guys, you can't see the keyway. Okay, I got another thing out of 4, but it felt like it went too far, so I released a little bit of tension, tried to release that overset. Everything else is still springy in the back. I might need to take a little more out of 5. I'm kind of scared to do that though, but let's just see what we can make happen. All right, now 6 Feels like it's a little springy. Let's see what else we can get out of it. It's like springy draggy back there. 1 is springy, 2 is springy, 3 is springy, 4 is firm. Ugh, that felt bad. I'm going to, boy, what pick can I use? Let's try this one. It's a gem in 18 thousandths. Oh, that was a Southward DeForest Diamond. Good feel for the pins in these locks. Okay, I'm back to 4 again. That just feels like it's done. 5 doesn't really feel like there's anything there. Oh, but 6 feels pretty firm now. Let's see if we can get on 6. I've got the Peterson DeForest Diamond, which might be a little bit better here because it's just a hair skinnier. I'm on 4, still feels real firm. 3, 2, springy, 1. Let's see if I can get down through this springiness and see if there's a click there. Nope. Do the same thing on 2. Nope. Wow, guys. This is going to be a great lock. Okay, I'm at the back. I just did something to 5. Huh. All right, guys, I'm going to reset this lock and start over. I'm going to start from the back this time. I'll stick with the DeForest Diamond and a little bit more tension. Okay, so I'm in the back. 6 feels springy. 5 is springy up to a hard point. So I hit it. Oh no, that was 6. So springy up to a hard point. So I go ahead and set that. I don't know. Trying to get a set on 5. Ooh, there's a nice click on 5. Go back to 6 and see if I can get a click on him. Yeah, you know in the American locks when you overset, it like moves but feels mushy and terrible. That's what that felt like. All right, so 6 and 5 I think are where they want to be for right now. Up to 4. Nice click on 4. Another click on 4 that felt kind of bad. Up to 3. Some of these clicks just feel real crunchy, weird. Actually, I'm getting some clicks on 1, 2, and 3 now, so that's different. There's a couple clicks on 3. Let's see if I can get on 2. Yeah, you know what this feels like? It feels like we're just sort of running amok. All right, so let me try doing that again with a little bit better control. Okay, 6 feels like it wants to be ready, but let me do 5 first. Nice click on 5. Now back to, nope, 6 still isn't ready. Another click on 5. Back, 6 still isn't ready. Okay, now I think I got 6. I think 5 and 6 are done. Let me start the front here. 1 is kind of draggy, 2 is kind of draggy, 3. So I tell you, between these two picks, these two DeForest Diamonds, the Southward just feels a lot smoother going through the lock, but the whole thing is thicker. It's too bad. Okay, so that was a bunch of serration type clicks on 3. A couple more on 2. All the way back to the back again. Baby click on 5, baby click on 6. Let's see what other geometries we can attempt here. This is the number 1 in 18 thousandths, but it's bent, so it's not going to have good reach in the back. Okay, we're on 3. Little click. 4 springy. I think 5's overset. I'm waiting back. Okay. 1 springy. Okay, I just got something back there. I think that was 3. Nice little movement in the core. It's pretty firm now. Oof, I think I just overset 4. Yeah, it's just hard to use this number 1 because of it, because it's bent, and I'm afraid to use the 1 in 15 thousandths, but maybe that's what I should do. Nice click on 5. I think 6 needs more. Yeah, I'll click there. I think I'm up to 2, getting some serrations. Coming on, there's this piece of warding up at the top. Then when I'm up on 1, I'm gonna pick from. A couple little serration clicks there. Back to 2, another serration click, another one. Just afraid to go too far with these. Let's see what 3's got for me. Oh, nothing. Okay, let's see what else I can get on 2. Went too far. Go to the back. Ooh. Oh, what a beautiful sound. Okay. That was a nice long pick. That was fun. You know, long picks are maybe not the most brilliant television, but yeah, we got it. Okay. Woo! All right, so let's see. Let's make a little bit of room. Would I get it with the diamond? All right, I'll keep these guys up here. Oh man, that thing is so heavy. All right. So like I said, I do know the tools. So full disclosure, I already know what tools I need to use. Okay. Oof. What a beast. There's a big old Allen screw in there. Can't remember the size. It's something large. I mean, everything on this thing is so huge, so like, I don't have to worry about whether or not the wrench fits. All right, well, that'll come out soon enough. Oh, I guess it won't come out. There we go. Nice big old screw. It's kind of interesting how this is put together. So you've got this big beefy holder doohickey, and then there's this plate. Okay. And we'll get the core, and there is a bypass wafer, so that's cool. Right. And the actuator in there is pretty normal for this kind of lock. I believe that this is going to be a shackle retention pin, but I'm not going to fool with that right now. All right. Okay, core is locked. 6-pin core, like I think pretty much all the Americans. I'll use my quick set tool as usual to get that off. I should go back and look at one of those gutting videos I did, because I'm not sure if I posted it, but at one point I took a really long time just to do the gut. It's really embarrassing because I couldn't get the doggone clip off. It's hilarious. It's ridiculous. It's insane. I'm going with the shim. You guys know why. Okay. Got my little follower here from, I don't know, it's a set of followers from Sparrows. Bought it separately from the rest of the goodies. Okay, I see some trickery in here. Okay, so let's dump the key pins. There are 6 of them. I'll use the pick to get them out because it is a little oily or greasy. There's like a little bit of grease on here. That was 3. Here comes 4. And I can't get the money pin out. There we go. 6. Okay. And on the Bible. So the front of these things is the one with the little, it's the side with the little notch. I'll go from the back first. Chamber 6. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah. Serrated. Serrated spool. I assume. I'll check in a second. Serrated. That got us over to 4. Let's go back to 1. Serrated. Serrated spool. And serrated. And suddenly occurred to me one day, oh, look at these shiny new springs. Suddenly occurred to me one day that all of my other American practice locks are 5-pin, and that Mako and the pack lock were 6-pin, and so that's probably why, partly at least, why I had more trouble with them. All right. Now what I've been doing in my videos is I will, after I finish the video, I'll take a picture of the core with the driver pins in it, so you kind of see what it looks like at rest with the key out. But for now, I'll take this off of here so it doesn't blow up. All right, there are your pins. Hopefully we get a good focus on that. But what I'm seeing here is really the traditional American pin set of a mix of serrated and spools, serrated in 1, 3, 4, and 6, and serrated spools in 2 and 5. And then the key pins are a mixture. The longer key pins have serrations on them and the shorter ones don't. Core is normal, Bible is normal, springs are all the same. So yeah, this is a totally cool lock. Really glad I have it. Thanks to all of the participants in the channel, subscribers and viewers and commenters. I really appreciate that. It really sort of blows me away, as always. But that's all I have for you today. This is the Lockpicking Newbie. Have a good day.